Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of making money online but feel overwhelmed by where to start? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start digital marketing with absolutely no experience and how you can potentially earn $900 a day working just 2 hours. But first, if you're serious about transforming your financial future, be sure to click the link in the description for more information on how to get started as a beginner. You won't want to miss this. Let's dive right in. The digital marketing landscape is booming, and the best part is that you don't need a degree or years of experience to start. All you need is the willingness to learn and take action. By the end of this video, you will know the essential steps to kickstart your digital marketing journey, and trust me, you'll want to stick around for the last step. It's a game changer. Let's break it down into actionable steps so you can see how achievable this is. Here are the 5 key steps to get started, even if you're a total beginner. Step 1. Choose the right program. The first step is finding an interactive, beginner-friendly program that walks you through the entire process. When I started, I was overwhelmed by free resources that didn't give me the clarity I needed. That's why I invested in the Legacy Builders program, and let me tell you, it changed everything. This program gives you step-by-step training, so you're never left wondering what to do next. It's specifically designed for people with no experience, and it's all about helping you succeed in the shortest time possible. Think of it this way: if you were going to build a house, would you rather have a detailed blueprint or just wing it with a hammer and nails? The blueprint saves you time, frustration, and money. The Legacy Builders program is that blueprint for your digital marketing success. Step 2. Promoting done for you, high-demand products. Now, let's talk about Step 2. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is trying to sell products that don't appeal to people. You need to focus on digital products that are already in high demand, like online courses, ebooks, and software tools. Why digital products? They don't cost anything to reproduce, meaning you can earn 100% commissions every time you make a sale. When my friend Daryl first started, he promoted products he thought people might like, and barely made any money. It wasn't until he switched to high-demand, done-for-you digital products that things clicked. Suddenly, he was earning hundreds of dollars per day, and he didn't have to worry about inventory or shipping. It was all done for him and automated. Step 3. To 100% commissions with master resell rights. With the master resell rights model, I was able to resell digital products and keep 100% of the profits. Imagine selling a $600 program and keeping all $600 instead of just getting a small cut. That's how you build real income fast and financial freedom. It's a no-brainer, especially for beginners who want to see results without tons of experience. Step 4. Find a supportive community and learn from mentors. Alright, so you've got the products and the commissions lined up, but here's where it gets really exciting. One of the things that really sets successful people apart is the guidance they receive from those who have already walked the path. In the Legacy Builders program, you're not just thrown into a system and left on your own. You're connected with mentors who are 6- and 7-figure earners. They'll show you exactly what's working now and how to apply it to your business. On top of that, you'll be joining a community of over 40,800 people worldwide. It's amazing to be part of a network of like-minded people who are all working towards the same goal. When I started, I had doubts and questions. Who doesn't? But knowing I had a community and mentors supporting me gave me the confidence to push forward. So, let's recap the steps to starting your digital marketing business from scratch. 1. Choose a proven program like Legacy Builders for step-by-step guidance. 2. Promote done-for-you digital products with high demand. 3. Earn 100% commissions with master resell rights. 4. Surround yourself with successful mentors and a supportive community. The Legacy Builders program is an interactive program that has all the 4 steps mentioned and much more. There's never been a better time to take action than right now. Instead of struggling, imagine being able to pay for holiday gifts this year with income you've generated from just 2 hours a day online. So, if you're ready to stop dreaming and start doing, click the link in the description to get all the info you need to start today. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the community. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment if you found this helpful.